Hey guys, we at the park. I'm waiting for a sign. There he is. There's no sign in here. Now we can go to the park.
Okay.
Sign is right there.
Here they come. Yeah, you can take a break anytime you need.
Are you want a water break yet? Yes, I want a water break. Because it was a long time walking.
So tell me about your thoughts so far on your nature walk today.
It was fun. Actually, it was great.
Uh-huh. It's okay. Let them finish drinking. You get your exercise in, Carter?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, pick up your top.
It looks good.
Okay. Yes.
That's the sound squirrel.
What's that noise?
Squirrel. Up in the tree. That one up in the tree right there is talking. So that one over in the tree over there.
Maybe it's all the way up there. The other one is up there.
He over there somewhere. He letting them know. He said, "Look, I'm looking at these 4 people."
They're not that big. I can see them like
Right there. That's the one. He telling the other ones. He said, "There's 4 people. They're sitting in our area. We can't get the food just yet." Oh, I think they talking about that cat that's on the fry.
You see the cat over there?
Yep, it's a little cat moving behind the fence over there. You can see his tail up in there.
I see it. I can see his body. It's black.
Yep. So the squirrels are talking about the cat.
Because I know the cats will get them.
If the cat would get them.
You would press the button, and that would be and that's a snake right there. Right there. There. I could touch that maybe.